Alright guys, here is the final assembly of the LC Racing LC12B1. I hope you enjoy.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
How about that, guys? Really close now. Front and rear ends are on. Man, they still feel great. And now it's just time to put in a couple more parts and we'll be good to go. Look at that, guys. We are just about there. That car is a couple steps from being done. Boy, am I happy. Alright guys, that there is a rolling chassis. I'm going to go ahead and throw the motor in, but it is currently very late where I am in the world, and I will not have time to wire this up tonight, so I will see you guys in the morning to wire this up. Alright, so my motor of choice is the supersonic rocket supersonic 8.5 turn censored motor. I've not tried this yet, but I suspect it's going to be very good because I've always wanted a sensor motor in these cards and I've never had the chance, so I'm excited to test it out. I'll keep you guys in the loop on how it works. There you have it, guys. This is as far as I'm going tonight, and we'll see you in the morning for the final touches. This car is beautiful, and I cannot wait to drive it. Alright guys, now it's time for some soldering. For this car, I will be running the Hobbywing Quick Run 10BL120 ESC. This is censored. Since I'm running a sensor motor, I obviously need a censored ESC. And hopefully we can get it to fit in there. It's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze, but we can get it done. So it's currently hooked up to a 5.5 Hirosaka motor, so I'm just going to disconnect this and do some wiring. I'm not going to go into great detail with this process. You probably won't hear from me much more. But if you'd like me to do a soldering video, throw that in the comments below and I can. Alright, let's get started. Oh, we got steering. Gotta set my endpoints. We got a car that's going backwards. So I'm gonna have to either, hopefully, I can just reverse that in the ESC. If not, I'm gonna have to do a diff modification where I flip the diffs over to make it go the other way. I really hope I don't have to do that because that would kind of stink. But yeah, car is done now, and we're all wired up. Look at that. I'm gonna have to figure out something different for the battery tray because my battery's a little long. Oops. But overall, this build went fantastic, and I cannot wait to get it out on the track, hopefully in a couple days. And if I do, you will see that on a future episode on the Slow Ben YouTube channel. I hope you liked this video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Slow Ben out.